My introduction to flipped classroom was when I was a sixth grade history teacher. And we had a schedule that was A days and B days. So I would only see my students every other day. And it was for a pretty short block, it was only 50 minutes. And so, because of that, I started thinking, how am I going to teach all of this content to my students in that small amount of time? And dig into primary sources and do a hands-on project and do some of the fun things that I had wanted to bring if we had more time. And so with that time issue, I started thinking, what could we do to maximize our time together? And that was how I started integrating this flipped classroom experience, was taking what I would have lectured about and turning it into a video form. I already had those slides, so I would just record myself for about 5 to 7 minutes talking through the information that my students needed to learn beforehand, put that up on a YouTube channel, and then my students were required to watch the video for homework and take some required notes. And then I would always start class with a very quick 3-question quiz to see whether or not they understood the information, or really holding them accountable to do their homework and watch those videos. And then for the students who didn't do their homework or they didn't score well on the quiz, I'd have them sit in a certain section of our classroom. They'd be on some iPads and they would be catching up on the homework piece, where the rest of the class who had done their homework, they were able to participate in a hands-on activity. Oftentimes it was digging into primary sources, or it was a project of some sort, because I'm a very experiential teacher. And so I wanted to facilitate those experiences in my classroom so that they were memorable and my students retained the information.